Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 26th January 2025. Indian political news. India celebrates 76th Republic Day. Today, India marks its 76th Republic Day, commemorating the adoption of the Constitution on 26 January 1950. The theme for this year's celebrations is Swarnim Bharat Virasat aur Vikas, Golden India Heritage and Development, reflecting the nation's rich cultural heritage and ongoing progress. The Grand Parade at Rajpath in New Delhi showcased India's military prowess, cultural diversity, and technological advancements. The event featured tableaux from various states and government departments, highlighting the country's achievements and cultural heritage. Foreign Secretary's visit to China. Foreign Secretary Shri Vikram Misri is scheduled to visit Beijing on January 26 to 27, 2025, to participate in the Foreign Secretary-Vice Minister mechanism between India and China. This visit aims to discuss the next steps for India-China relations, focusing on political, economic, and people-to-people exchanges. Legal action against OpenAI. Indian and international book publishers have filed a copyright lawsuit against OpenAI in New Delhi. The case, led by the Federation of Indian Publishers, seeks to prevent OpenAI's ChatGPT from accessing proprietary content without a license. Major publishers involved include Bloomsbury, Penguin Random House, and Cambridge University Press. The outcome could have significant implications for AI and intellectual property law in India. Sports news. India vs England T20 series. England is set to face India in the second T20 International in Chennai today. After a heavy defeat in the first match, England aims to rebound and stay competitive in the five-match series. Captain Jos Buttler anticipates a more aggressive approach from his team. Key players to watch include Phil Salt for England and Varun Chakravarti for India. Virat Kohli's return to Ranji Trophy. After a 13-year hiatus, Virat Kohli is set to return to the Ranji Trophy, India's premier domestic cricket tournament. Following this, he will join the national team for the ODI series against England and participate in the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. Khelo India Winter Games at Gupuks. Gupuks has transformed from a natural pond where beginners first attempted skating to a standard ice rink hosting national-level events. It is now a prominent venue for the Khelo India Winter Games, providing a platform for amateur athletes to compete professionally. Upcoming sports events in India. The year 2025 promises an action-packed calendar for Indian sports, with events such as the India Open Badminton in New Delhi, the Mumbai Marathon, the Khelo India Winter Games, and the National Games starting in January. Additionally, India is set to host the first-ever Kho-Kho World Cup in New Delhi from January 13 to 19, 2025. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.